This is the Literature Kit on Charlotte's Web by E.B. White. This timeless classic uses a variety of true or false, fill in the blank, and multiple choice questions to check comprehension. 55 pages chocked full of before you read worksheets for each chapter section, along with vocabulary prompts to prepare your students for the reading, with rubrics, teacher guide, and author biography. Students share their opinions on the lifespan of animals on a farm. Write the name of the character next to their quote from the novel. Describe how Wilbur tried to make himself look radiant. Predict what Charlotte's masterpiece will be. 6 additional writing tasks follow. Supplement an existing unit with in-depth writing tasks, such as describing Templeton's character using examples from the book. A word search puzzle and comprehension quiz ends the unit. The easy marking answer key works by lining up perfectly with the matching question pages. 3 color posters, which are graphic organizers, completes the resource. Complete a spider web map to list the main ideas of the story. Visit our website to see more novel study guides just like it.